Okay, this street's called Rua do General Castelo Branco. And we're kind of, just to give you a little context, we're going to be going down that street right there. But this one is I think it's called the Avenue of the same name. And that over there kind of is near the border. Qingmao is not too far away, the border to China. And over there is the old dog racing racetrack, which is now changed into something else. Should get over there. Looks like there might be some new things in there, but that's for another video. And then you have these little market stuff right in here too. So we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So we're gonna check out some of that. There's like, look at flowers on that side. And over here we have some different food items. All the way down. So kind of cool. And we also have it on the other side too. Okay, let's go to the other side, take a look at the flowers. Looks like some street cleaning there. So you got all the flowers here. Smells nice. Okay. So we're gonna be walking down our Chucky Street. So let's I'm down this way. Chihon. Huh, there's like something right there. I'm gonna go over to that side and see what it is. Okay, let's see. Universal Buddhist Merciful Society. It's also written in Indian, Sanskrit, and also in English. Here's our street. Let's go across, take a look and see what that's all about. This one, let's see. Looks like it's all for parking. Okay, so let's go down this way. A lot of mechanic shops down this way. That side looks better, so we're gonna walk down that way. Sometimes if there's all these vehicles, I can't really film very well. To go. Lobster. Huh. Frozen meat. $50 haircuts. And bright sun. Kind of cool. Kind of an industrial street. Okay, let me just see here. Some fruits. There's a barbershop over there to the left. Only 50. The prices are really low in this area. Recycling. Mechanic, I think. More food. Looks like it's I think it's chicken. Fried chicken. Okay. We'll keep on going down. gonna go across and capture the sign here. Capture it like that. And I'm just gonna wait for people to go by. So that's our street, the Hua. And I believe the street's gonna end right up here. Japanese place right there. Okay. Then we're gonna come out here. So we're coming out to Concordia. So Concordia is right here. And then we're gonna end our video. Just walk back. March up 1, 2. And that's our street right there. So another slice of Macau. So yeah, I don't think I filmed this one, so I'm trying to film all the different streets. So this is Rua do General Castelo Branco.